Once upon a time, it all started with a single note and a goal to share my passion of the piano with others. What began as a small spark, just me, a piano, and the hope that someone out there would listen, has grown into something so much bigger. From the very first tutorial, not knowing if anyone would watch, to those first few who tuned in, left comments, and gave me the encouragement to keep going, to thousands of you joining in, learning, laughing, and growing together. Each milestone felt like a new melody. 1,000, 10,000, 50,000. Each number representing real people, real hearts, and real passion for music. And every note we've played together has been a step in this incredible journey. And now, Piano AccoMan's music has traveled across the globe, reaching families, students, and music lovers in places I never dreamed possible. From living rooms to classrooms, from one corner of the world to another, your support has carried these melodies farther than I could have ever taken them alone. Together, we've reached a milestone: 100,000 subscribers, 100,000 voices, claps, and hearts beating in rhythm with this channel, 100,000 reasons to keep creating, keep teaching, and keep sharing the joy of music. This music belongs to all of us. Every time you play along, every comment you leave, every moment you spend here, you're a part of this symphony. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for being part of this incredible journey. Here's to the next chapter, the next adventure, and the next 100,000 notes we'll share together.